Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best stair gate is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any pet owner looking to keep their furry friends safe and sound, especially in multi-level homes or areas where unsupervised access could lead to trouble. Whether you're trying to prevent your curious cat from exploring the forbidden upstairs or ensuring your energetic puppy doesn't tumble down the stairs, a reliable pet gate acts as a crucial barrier, offering peace of mind and a controlled environment for your beloved companions. This review will dive deep into what makes a stair gate truly effective, helping you make an informed decision for your home and your pet's well-being. Number 5. Regalo Safety Baby Gate. For over 3 decades, parents have trusted this baby safety product. It's designed to help keep your little ones safe at home. This baby gate is designed in the USA by parents, for parents. As a family-owned brand, we've been delivering dependable safety products for over 30 years. This extra-wide gate is ideal for doorways and the bottom of stairs. It expands to fit openings between 29 and 38.5 inches wide. Setting up this gate is simple with its pressure mount design. Just follow the instructions and use the included wall cups for a secure fit. Remember, never use at the top of stairs. This walk-through safety gate is designed for babies aged 6 to 24 months and small to medium pets. It features a secure locking system for your peace of mind. What we like. This gate has been a trusted name for over 30 years, designed by parents for parents. If you are looking for a gate with a long history of safety and American design, this is a great choice. It's ideal for wider openings and bottom of stairs. What people say. The gate is easy to install and adjust. It is sturdy and holds up well against MYPETs. The pressure-mounted design is convenient and doesn't require drilling holes. Number 4. MYPET Paws Portable Pet Gate. Keep your beloved pet safe and secure with our expandable gate. It's perfect for doorways and blocking off indoor spaces, providing peace of mind for you and your furry friend. This gate is designed to fit various openings, making it easy to take down and install wherever you need it. Its portability ensures your pet's safety on the go. Protect your walls with our specially designed rubber bumpers. It accommodates different home styles and is ideal for indoor use, blending seamlessly with your decor. Mounting and disassembling this gate is a breeze thanks to its sturdy, curved handle. Enjoy a firm grip for effortless operation. We are a USA-owned company committed to the highest safety and quality standards. Our rigorously tested products bring peace of mind to your family. What we like. This gate is incredibly convenient and portable, requiring no tools for installation. If you need a flexible solution that can be moved easily between doorways and openings, and you appreciate a modern aesthetic with paw print accents, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to install and very sturdy. The pressure-mounted design is great for renters, as it requires no drilling. The auto-close feature is a lifesaver, ensuring the gate is always secured. Number 3. Safety First Easy Install Walk-Through Baby Gate. Create safe spaces for your little ones and furry friends. This versatile gate helps keep them contained, but never use it at the top of stairs for safety. Setting up your new gate is a breeze. Our pressure-mounted design requires no tools, offering quick and flexible placement around your home. Gain peace of mind with our visual indicator. A simple red to green system lets you know instantly when it's securely locked in place. Effortlessly open the gate with just one hand. The secure handle is designed to be easy for adults but difficult for small children to operate. This gate adapts to your needs, fitting doorways from 29 to 38 inches wide. It's perfect for children and pets alike. Need to cover a larger opening? It comes with extensions to fit openings up to 38 inches wide, ensuring a secure fit wherever you need it. What we like. The Secure Tech indicator provides clear visual confirmation that your gate is locked securely. If peace of mind and ease of use are your top priorities, especially when you need to operate the gate with one hand while holding a child or pet, this is an excellent option. What people say. The gate is easy to install and adjust. It is sturdy and holds up well against MYPETs. The pressure-mounted system is convenient and doesn't require drilling holes. Number 2. EasyBaby Retractable Baby Gate. Introducing a retractable baby gate designed for ultimate safety. It provides a secure barrier for your little ones and pets, ensuring peace of mind throughout your home. This gate is perfect for any location, from stairways to doorways, indoors and outdoors. It comes with all the necessary components for a straightforward installation. It effortlessly adjusts to fit openings up to 55 inches wide and stands 33 inches tall. When not in use, the mesh can be neatly retracted away. Opening and closing is a breeze with its one-handed operation. Simply unlock, pull, and relock for secure closure. This is the ideal solution for blocking off stairs and doorways, providing essential safety and security for your children and pets. Rest assured, all our gates meet or exceed rigorous safety standards, including ASTM and EN certifications. What we like. This gate offers versatility with its indoor and outdoor installation capabilities and a retractable mesh that disappears when not in use. If you need a solution for stairs, doorways, or hallways that can be installed in various environments and offers a clean look when open, consider this option. What people say. The gate is very sturdy and easy to install. It is wide enough to fit most doorways and has a pressure-mounted system that requires no drilling. The auto-close feature is a great addition, making it convenient to use. Number 1. Carlson Lil Tuffy Expandable Pet Gate. This gate is designed to fit extra-wide spaces, expanding up to 38 inches. Its pressure mount system is gentle on your walls and sets up in moments. Need to secure a doorway, hallway, or the bottom of your stairs? It adjusts to fit openings up to 38 inches wide, providing versatile protection. Our patented small pet door allows your little ones to move freely while keeping others contained. A secure locking feature ensures safety when needed. Easily step over the gate while keeping smaller pets out. When not in use, it can be quickly removed for convenient storage. Built to last, this gate is reliable and designed to meet your everyday pet containment needs. It's a durable solution for your home. Your pet's safety is paramount. This gate features non-toxic finishes and secure wall mounts for added peace of mind. What we like. The standout feature here is the patented small pet door, allowing your little furry friends to pass through independently. If you have a mix of pets and want to keep smaller ones separate or allow them passage while humans use the main gate, this is a unique and convenient solution. What people say. The gate is easy to install and adjust. It is sturdy and my dog cannot push it over. The walk-through door is convenient for adults. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.